sweetie, it's our first recipe of the year, so get ready with me. We are getting this down.
Yeah, lady B, you don't know how beautiful you are. When I
So sweetie, at this point, I'm wearing the gown, and then here is the back, and then the front. So let's go that step so we get our face ready.
look at you and I see stars that shine up over my head. I hope you know these words that I've said are true. 'Cause well, lady B, you don't know how beautiful you are. I want you to know how beautiful you are. You can never be less placed, 'cause in my heart your kitchen's won the race, yeah. Oh, how beautiful you are. Your smile illuminates the room like a shining light, a queen of success with a heart so kind and bright. Your cooking's a masterpiece. 'Cause baby, you don't know how beautiful you are. I want you to know how beautiful you are. You can never be last placed, 'cause in my heart your kitchen's won the race, yeah. Oh, how beautiful you are. When I look at you, all I see is star, oh yeah. You are so beautiful. Sweet lady B, with a heart of gold. Your kindness and love forever to be told, yeah.
You guys, at this point, I'm done with my makeup. Very simple, you know. So this one is my hair. I'm taking to pack the hair. I don't even know, maybe if you are cooking for distress sauce, you go pack up. Anyway, let's leave it for now. So this one is going to be the look of the day. Actually, this one is my first recipe of the year. Since this year, I haven't go to my kitchen, almost 4 days. I haven't go to my kitchen. But today we are going to be cooking recipe today, and then yeah, see you guys. Let me know how I look. What are you going to give your baby girl? 50 or 100? Let me know. And my outfit too. I'm wearing this gown. Anyway, see you guys. Let's go kitchen because the day has begun. Bye.